Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram and expected error on iPhone in iOS 18. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Wi-Fi. On the Wi-Fi page, tap on eye icon. Tap forget this network. Again tap it. Turn off Wi-Fi. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Reconnect your Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Tap on join it. Solution number 2. Update your Instagram. Open the App Store app on your iPhone. On the App Store page, tap on search bar. Search your Instagram app. Tap on Instagram app. Update your Instagram app. Solution number 3. Disable and re-enable Instagram notification. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on notification. On the notification page, scroll down, tap Instagram app. On the Instagram page, turn off allow notification. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 4. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.